A company which manufactures and sells personalized stationery pays a weekly fixed cost. If the cost of manufacturing X boxes of stationery is given by the function y equals 3x plus 3,000, then the number 3 represents, and we have 4 choices here. It's either the weekly fixed cost, or the profit earned from the sale of one box, or the amount spent to make one box, or the average number of boxes made. Okay, let's make a little table. We'll have X boxes. We'll take that times 3, and then we'll add 3,000 to it, and we'll call that Y, which is the cost of manufacturing X boxes of stationery. Okay, suppose they manufacture one box. Multiply it times 3, that's $3. Add 3,000, so the cost is going to be $3,003. Okay, this is the cost to manufacture one box. If you make 2 boxes, take 3 times 2, you're going to have 6 plus 3,000. You're going to move up $3 here. Okay? It looks like every time the fixed cost is going to stay the same here. This is changing for the number of boxes, but the weekly fixed cost looks like that's 3,000, doesn't it? Okay? 3 boxes, you have $9 plus the 3,000. 4 boxes, you have $12 plus the 3,000. But you're going to pay 3,000 no matter what happens. So 3 is not the weekly fixed cost. 3,000 would be the weekly fixed cost. Okay? Now the profit earned, well, this equation has nothing to do with profit. This is the cost of manufacturing X boxes. So the cost is this. So that has nothing to do with profit. The amount spent to make one box. Well, you had one box for $3, 2 boxes for $6, 3 boxes for $3. Looks like each box cost the company $3. So I'm getting answer C here. Of course, the average number of boxes, X is the average, is the boxes. X would have to do something to do with the boxes. You're not going to take 3 times the number of boxes and get the average number of boxes. So the weekly fixed cost, since it's fixed, every week you're having to spend $3,000. So get rid of answer A. Profit, we're not talking about profit here. Okay? Going back here, it increases $3 every time you make a box. Okay? So it looks like your cost is going up $3 depending upon the number of boxes. Okay? And that's changing, isn't it? So I'm saying 3 would be the amount spent or the cost of the company to make one box. The average number of boxes has to do with X. Okay? Has nothing to do with the number 3. So I'm coming up with answer C.